So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out video in CapCut. So what you want to do is you want to click on the video which you would like to use the fade in effect on and just go to animation, and we're gonna use an in and an out animation. So for the in animation we're gonna choose fade in, for the out animation we're gonna choose fade out. So if you want to change the duration, you're just gonna click on the clip, go to animation again, and here either with the in or the out animation you will be able to see the duration of the in animation on the left side, so you can change that with the left arrow, and you can also change the duration of the out animation with the right arrow. Alright, so all in all, this is how you fade in and fade out video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.